यहाँ blow करो ना
Sunny.
I'm not blowing blow to mommy
Happy birthday.
it's not happy birthday Sanu
No. When I say it's happy birthday, it's not.
Vivek Sanu stand up please
Because you don't. But you can't blow it.
explain him then
Don't go
Sanu
blow it.
stand up please
Happy birthday.
it's not happy birthday Baba
Happy birthday. Yeah, pumpkin head too much. No. Don't you go there.
it's okay
It's okay.
hold
it's
your hand
Okay. It's not happy birthday. Up. Oh, it's trick or treating. Happy birthday, Shanu. Happy birthday. No! Happy birthday, Nanwan. Happy birthday. No.
can I have two more please
Timo.
Sanu this is no happy birthday
That's good.
thank you darling
It has got.
have you been to the trick or treat today
Yeah.
did you enjoy it
Don't go.
how many houses you been today how are you
Mm.
you like it jump balikin ka